Looking for that new thread, got you covered head to toe. Amy Tex is the name, it's the only way to go. Got the best cloth on the
Welcome back, guys. So today video now I go show you how you go take fix your
stitch, we hit the target.
plastic press button. This one dey good for shirts, either you want sew vintage shirts or you want use them for kaftan. You know, e dey good for most of the shirts. Now most time na shirt you dey use them for. So if you know say na wetin you go like learn and everything you go like use for your clients, or na wetin you go just try it for yourself, so just follow me to the end make I just show you step by step the way I take do am. So you go see say na simple stuff. So just stay tuned. Let me just take you to the video.
Well finished with a perfect stitch, we hit the target.
So the first thing we go first do be say you no go use this machine.
That's right, Amatex clothing.
You no go use this machine for this one wey you wan use now, because this processing of this machine, if you wan do am with this machine, the processing go long and it dey stressful. That's why I avoid this one, then I upgraded for
Got you covered head to
this
toe.
one.
Amatex is the name, it's the only way to go.
So this stuff now go do the button wey we need. Shey you understand? Na im go fit do our plastic pressing button for us. So this stuff now, when I get am, you know, maybe around like 4,000 or 5,000 naira. So just hold on, make I just carry it through the way I take do am step by step. So for example now, like say na the shirt wey we wan use, or the kaftan wey we wan use for the button be this example. Na im be this now, you go dey overlapping. You know say you go dey overlapping. So instead of us to mark am like that, you go do am like this.
We hit the target.
So this one na you go use. You go use this one. So let's say now our measurement na im be this. So I mean this the gap of the button. 2, 3, 4. So after I don mark am like that, then the next thing we just chook am. We chook am this pin. This pin dey follow this machine come. Dey follow this machine come. So once you chook am like this, you make sure say you chook this side also. You chook am well so that the button no go dey separate. E go dey the same spot. You chook this one sef, then you chook the fourth one too. So after I don do this one finish like this, so now the button be this.
Looking for that new thread, got you covered head to
So the
toe.
button dey like
Name, it's the only way
na
to go.
4 type. So this one will go with this one. So I use one will be the upside. Then this one will go with this round one. I hope it's wetin I dey show you. You understand? So you dey different, na two different buttons. So when you reach where you wan buy am, so they wan buy plastic press button for machine stuff. I don't know wetin they call am, but I know say once you get the sample, they will understand wetin you wan buy.
New thread, got you covered head to toe. Amy Tex is the
So
name, it's the only way to
the
go.
first thing we go do be say you go first work on one. So that is this one.
Finished with a perfect stitch.
For example, now this one na im go be the under one. This one na im go be the under. So the under one na im go use this chook one. Then you go put am like this. So you carry this machine go dey like this. Once you just place am under, and if you under, you go make sure say dey careful not to press am. Then you go just pin am down. And like this, automatically e don hold.
Covered
See,
head to toe. Amy Tex
and the other part be this. Na the under be this side. So this one na im go dey on top. At first you know say this one na im go dey on top. You go carry the chook one. You go chook am here like this. Remember say na this hole you use open am. If you no use hole open am, e no go dey easy like this. So you know say na this one we use now. So you go use the round one for this side now. Once you just place am, you go make sure say press am down well.
Looking for that new thread,
Then
got you covered head to toe.
you put
Amy
am under
Tex is the
also.
name, it's the only way
Make sure
to
say
go.
sit down on top that black cover. Then press am. Once you press am, see.
Stitch, we hit the target.
So like this, you go dey for outside. So before now, this machine we dey use, but this machine dey stressful and you know dey work. You know this one dey fast. This one dey more faster. So you go comot this one now. Then you go try this one too. You go chook this one from under. You know say this one na under one. This one no go show outside. So this one na go dey under. Then carry this one, pin am down. Then carry the machine. If you do that 30 pieces within how many minutes? No dey waste. I want to know wetin where you wan chook. Sure you understand me. So this one will come from the upper side. You go chook am like this. So you put am. and so you will apply for all of them. But if you do one, make sure say the way they press this side, no press am too much so that you no go spoil the button dey quick spoil. So the same thing, you go choose this one,
Looking for that new thread, got you covered head
then
to
carry the other one,
toe. The name, it's the only way to go. Got the best clothes on the market. Fresh.
then put am like this. So this one now go make you upgrade your work. If you use am for shirt, like all these vintage shirts, if you use am for vintage shirt, they make sense well well. So that if your client say am, you go know say. And if you wan go do this in outside, e dey expensive o. If you dey do like 1 dozen for you, like maybe 6, if you dey do am for you like 500 to how much. So compared to that amount wey you go say if you do this machine now, and then some of them dey comot, you go fit do am by yourself.
Amy Tex is the name,
So
it's the
na the third one we don do so.
best clothes on the market.
So na the last one be this.
Well finished with a perfect stitch, we hit the
Choose this one too.
and it's always a
So na the under one na im be this one.
that's right. Am I Tex clothing? Look this good for less.
Then you choose this one. Just dey careful for this side, then pin am. So
Looking for
the
that
last part be this one.
covered head to toe. Amy Tex is the name, it's the only way to go. Got the best clothes
See the way you do am.
market.
You do am, you need to dey careful, no go rush am.
Perfect stitch, we
So after that, you go come try to pin am, maybe the measurement wey you do dey correct.
that's right. Am I Tex clothing? Look this good for less. Am I Tex
See,
clothing? Yeah, am I
very simple. But if you no check am well, if you no know the machine wey you see na this big one, but na this one you go use now. If you just screenshot this one, so that you go and get the machine. They come with this stuff. Then where you buy the machine, if you sell this stuff for yourself, you get different color. You get white, you get different color. Na im dey sell for them. So that's for the video. So give a thumbs up and share this video.